What we have here today is a 10-inch Victor Electric Products Victron table fan, likely dating to around the early to mid 1950s. The fan is single speed and it is designed to oscillate. Pretty cool looking badge there in the front. Blades are aluminum. The guard was originally painted silver, but quite worn. The rest of the fan was painted a light blue color, which is still somewhat there, but definitely could use a repaint. Fan's cord there is not original. That was replaced sometime in the past. This hole here denotes that there was a switch here at one point in time from the factory, but was removed, and now the fan's controlled with this inline switch on the cord. Another issue with this fan is that it no longer oscillates. The gear that drives the oscillator from the reducing gear is quite chewed up, and had to actually remove the reducing gear out of the gearbox in order for the fan to turn freely, because the chewed up gear, once it hits it, it stops the fan completely. And this fan is designed where it oscillates all the time unless you put the screw in the center of the wheel. And that screw is not the proper screw either, because these oscillator screws have a reverse thread pitch on them, so they don't unscrew themselves from the fan when they're moving. So that was replaced, and so until I find replacement parts for it, if I ever do, the fan is now just going to be stationary only. So there's the bottom there. Model F1107, 0.55 amps. So yeah. All right. So let's jump right in and start things up. Fan runs pretty smooth. Moves a decent sum of air. It's got a bit of vibration noise, but for its condition, it runs pretty well. Blades are slightly out of alignment, but doesn't really affect its balance much. And that's all I got. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 10-inch Victor Electric Products Victron oscillating table fan from the early to mid 1950s. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.